All right, guys, here we go. Maybe we're getting a little good luck here from the DXY. We could see a pop in gold, silver, and the regular U.S. stock markets here as the DXY looks to be selling off. Okay, so kind of backtrack, show where we came from, where we are. Have this nice little consolidation zone, inside bars to the gold arrow, everything trading or closing inside that bar breakout. A little continuation here. We hit two significant measured moves, price zones up here that our Patreon members could tell you about. Obviously, sell off candle, and then a little bit of a follow through the downside on, well, yesterday. And then today, all this was green. Not that we can't, we still have 8 hours to go on this candle, so we're not going to jump in and say, hey, this thing's going to turn red. We're going to roll over and the dollar's dead because we got to wait for confirmation, that this is truly a sell off here. Folks are, looks like selling the dollar and then putting a little bit more risk on assets, mainly the U.S. stock market. So we'll see if the U.S. stock market, there's a inverse correlation here to the sell-off on the DXY, then we get a pop in the general markets here. But this is very positive, very bullish for commodities and potentially the U.S. market as we're drifting lower here by the second, as you can see. Really would like to see a red candle. That would be a definite, failed move to the upside. Then we'd have to come down. The dollar would have to come down into some sort of, support zone, whether it be this pivot area here, or if we drop lower into the 20, that blue line right here, moving average. So anyway, let me go back over. Well, let's look at the SPY actually right now. You saw that now we're pretty bearish, quite honestly, on the SPY ETF for the SP 500. Let's go to the hourly chart under the 200, very bearish. 4-minute chart, see this consolidation. Seem to be building a base, somewhat of a foundation here for a possible, push back up to the upside. But the S&P has a lot of, man, there's a lot to fight through in order to get that going, as you see on the daily big, because all this is basically one big red candle today. The price has to work up and over. Then you have the 200, which is very tough to get through. However, well, with that said, if the dollar continues, this sell off here, let's go to hourly. Yeah, see, hourly candle, that's a big slam down candle, but they can reverse it just as quickly as they can, push it. The Fed can push this thing any way they want it. But I just wanted to, yeah, here's the 4-minute chart. Every candle's 4 minutes of price action, 2-minute. Here's a little bit more clear push here. Lower high here. Then we're under the 20, double bottom. Well, low pivot area couldn't reverse here even with the 200. And here we are now. So let's see if, the markets can turn and start pushing up and out of here. But okay, guys, just want to get that to you real quickly. And well, here's natural gas getting a little pump here. Looks like what was the low? Low was 208. Looks like we missed the bottom by 8 cents. But okay, guys, we will see you on the chart.